promised me.
I know. But I am sorry.
Today is the day. Oh, wow. Today is my result day. I think I will get first position. Yes, I really think so. Good morning, sweetheart.
Big day today, huh, champ?
Yes, Dad. Today is my result day. Dad, will you come to my result ceremony? I really want you there.
Yes, buddy. I will come.
Really?
Really?
Pinky promise?
Pinky promise.
You worked very hard, Jack. Thanks, Mom. Dad, please don't be late.
I won't, buddy.
I'll wait for you.
The Q4 sales performance clearly indicates
Mark got busy with office work, and time flew by before he even noticed.
Oh no. Jack's ceremony. I forgot.
Come on, come on. Why today?
Emma, I'm on the way, but there's a traffic jam here.
Jack is waiting for you.
I'm doing my best to get there.
All the children celebrate happily with their parents, while Jack stands apart, quietly waiting for his father.
Welcome, students and parents, to our annual results ceremony. We are now pleased to announce the position holders for Grade 2. The student who secured first place in Grade 2 is Jack!
Congratulations, Jack. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, everyone look here and smile.
Congratulations, sweetie. We are so proud of you.
You did an amazing job this semester.
Congrats, buddy.
Thanks.
Where is Jack? He got first position, but he already left. He waited for you.
My boy. I'm too late.
Jack was not happy. He had won first place, but he felt alone.
Jack! How was it? You got first position. Jack, hold on a second. What is that?
It's for the science fair.
Honey, open the door. Please go away.
Is he home?
Yes. He locked the door. He got first position.
He did it. And I missed it.
Jack? Please open the door. I'm sorry, buddy.
You promised me.
I know. but I am sorry. Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Jack's dream bicycle. Can I help you? Yes. I need a bicycle for my son.
That's the one.
That's Jack's dream bike.
We'll take it.
For the first time that day, hope returned. They brought Jack's dream bicycle home. Jack, there's a surprise for you. This surprise has 2 wheels.
What?
Come and see.
This is for me?
For the first position boy in grade 3.
Thank you, Dad.
I'm proud of you, son. I'm sorry I was late. You deserve to see me there.
I was really sad.
I know, buddy. Next time, I will be there.
Promise?
Promise.
Look, Dad.
Look, Dad.